Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get rainbow icons. First, ensure your device's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal performance. Next, you will need to download a specific app from your App Store that allows for icon customization. This app will be the key to easily changing your icons. Once installed, open the app and grant any necessary permissions to begin the process. Now, let's dive into the customization. Within the app, you'll find a list of all your installed applications. Tap on the one you want to give a rainbow look. The app will then present you with options to change its icon. You can either browse through the app's own collection of rainbow designs or upload a custom image from your photo library. Select your preferred rainbow image to proceed. After selecting your desired rainbow image, simply tap the Apply or Save button within the customization app. The app will then generate a new shortcut icon for your chosen application, featuring the vibrant rainbow design. Drag this new icon to your home screen, replacing the original. You can repeat this process for as many apps as you like, creating a truly personalized and colorful device experience. Congratulations! Your device now features beautiful rainbow icons, giving your home screen a fresh and vibrant new look. This easy method allows for endless personalization, so feel free to experiment with different color schemes and arrangements. We hope you enjoy your newly customized device. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.